In today's video, let me show you the way that you can create a ChatGPT account. Welcome back to a new guide video on how to train it. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI, and it is designed to understand text and images and respond in a humanly manner. To create an account of ChatGPT, you can open up a web browser either using your laptop or your mobile devices. Search for chatgpt.com on the search bar of a web browser and you'll be taken to this website. Here you'll have three options: to log in, to sign up, or stay logged out. To create an account of ChatGPT, click on sign up for free. Now there are multiple ways that you can create an account of ChatGPT. First of all, you can either use your email address and then create a password for it. Other than this, you can also use your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple ID or your Apple account, or your phone number. So depending upon which option you want to log in with, just click on one of these options. For this video, I'm just going to use the email address. Paste in the email address and then click on continue. In the next step, you need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters, and special characters. Once you now created your password, you can now click on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address that you just entered in. Just type in the code and click on continue. In the next step, you need to add in your full name and your date of birth. So fill in both of these information and then click on continue again. And that's it. That's the way that you create an account of ChatGPT. You can now start chatting or ask any queries that you might have. So that's all there is in creating an account of ChatGPT. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.